Good day, Madam and Sir. I am Mary Joy Aquino. I am 32 years of age. I live here in Silang, Cavite, here in the Philippines. I am a single mom with two children, 14 and 12 years old. I have four sisters and one brother. I am high school graduate and Roman Catholic, and I am a daughter of Carmelita Aquino. When I was in high school, I am working student. I work as a housemaid. Year 2004 to 2008. I serve four members in the family. They are all adult. I'll do the household chores like cleaning, washing, ironing, feed the chicken, and sometimes cooking. Year 2021 to year 2022, I'll taking care of my niece, ages 3 months old and 3 years old. If you choose me, I am hardworking, trustworthy, fast learner, and happy to serve you with all my heart. Thank you.